Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and today I have got an unbagging for you. Now this comes to me from a company on Amazon, and they wanted me to review their product, and I have no problem with that. And I picked this one out. So I'm excited about it, but this comes to me from a company called Rowood, and okay, let me see. Alright, yeah, it comes to me from a company called Rowood Direct, and as you can see, this is a DIY miniature house. It is the coffee shop, and let's just go ahead. I have got a whoops. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this plastic off. That way we can go ahead and look and see what this looks like, and see if I can get this off. So I don't want to break it. Alright, hold on. So I don't want to break this because I want to put it back on. Hold on. Sorry, my daughter just took the dogs out and she just came in. She didn't realize I was making a video, so I had to let her know that I was making a video. But if you are just joining me for the first time, my channel is mostly crafting, but I do a lot of product reviews. I do whoops, I'm knocking stuff off my desk, but I do a lot of product reviews. I do I love doing miniature houses, kits. I love doing diamond painting. I do a lot of different things. So, alright, so this is the instruction booklet. So this is going to show you everything that is in this box. It is going to show you how to assemble everything. It's going to have your inventory list in here. It's going to show you everything that is in each bag. So when you do open your box, do not open all your bags and mix them up. That is like number one no-no. Do not mix up your bags. That is like rookie mistake number one. I'm telling you, because and you know, before I started doing miniature houses, I watched a lot of videos. That's actually how I started with this. I've seen a lot of people, this is what it's going to look like when it's completed, but I've seen a lot of people do these, and I thought, man, that looks so much fun. And it was so relaxing to watch them, and they look really intimidating, but they're not. They're really fun, and once you start working on them, you really get addicted to these really quick. But yeah, if I had not watched the videos, I would have just started opening the bags and pouring everything out, but don't do that, because all your bags are labeled, and you'll see in your book they're labeled for a reason. Because each bag, there's parts in here, as you can see, and each part, each bag number is for a certain element of your kit. And here is probably your main house, and then you've got, this is probably going to be like your windows, because it's like a plastic film. And then here's all of your cutouts. But I'll show you here in just a second. Now you can take and open your bags by all means and do an inventory, but just remember to put everything back in the correct bag. And I do each bag separate. I would not at all pour everything out and do each bag. But these are going to be your cutouts that you're going to paste onto your wooden pieces. This is going to be your diagrams, your I know I'm kind of starting and stopping with my talking, but I'm looking as I go. But these are going to be your diagrams, your this is going to show you, you're going to cut these out. Yeah, oh my God, I can't think of what they're called. I'm having a blank. Okay, it says the tools included would be sandpaper, tweezers, screwdriver, and all of that is in bag 5. Okay, I see this, which is white glue. Okay, let's see if we can find, I'm going to put that right there. Bag 5 is right here. Okay, so yes, I see there's the screwdriver. You got your glue right here. There's your screwdriver, there's your tweezers. Yep, this is battery box, so this is going to be there's going to be something in here that's going to light up. So it says tools that are excluded. So the tools that you're going to need is going to be a pair of scissors, a knife, and some pliers. Alright. Oh, and that glue, what did I do with it? This glue has got a sharp end and a fat end. That's neat. I've never seen one of these, so that's pretty cool. So, alright. So, it tells you your materials, and I was correct. That piece of plastic is going to be for your windows. And it tells you how to put it on. It tells you what pieces to put it on. There's your paper. It tells you, you know, your walls, your material list for that. You know, it just tells you piece by piece by piece by piece on how to do this. This is not hard at all. And it even tells you, okay, when you get to this part, this is the materials that you're going to need. You're going to look in bag 1, and you're going to get this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. It shows you what they look like. Then you're going to get this piece, and this piece from bag 4. You're going to get this piece, and everything is listed. Everything is numbered. Everything is lettered. It's going to show you exactly what you need. So like I said, this is not hard at all. And then here it shows you how to do the electric. And all that is just twisting some wires together, putting the battery in, and boom. You turn it on, and there you go. So even that part's not hard. So yeah. These are cool. And like I said, I mean, look at all these little parts that you're going to glue together, and you're going to make a table. You got a little coffee pot, and look, there's a little cake, and then there's some bread, and that's just in bag 7, okay? And then you're going to make some plants. There's some more breads. You've got just all kinds of neat things. Look, you've got some little bottles that you're going to put stuff in. And then these are going to be, look, there's your sign. So you're going to build you a little coffee shop. So this is just absolutely cool. There's going to be your little chairs and your tables, your booth. And then that's your little, you know, that's probably going to go in a window and everything. So this is just really, really cool. And like I said, this is what it's going to look like when it is completed. See, there's your bread. There's your little shopping bag. There's your little stools. Then you got your shelf with your little coffee mugs. Then your cakes and, you know, all your little things. So yeah, this is so neat. And I just want to say thank you to Rowood for sending this to me. And I love it. I absolutely love it. And I will put a link in my description box so that y'all can see. You know, go to Amazon and get you, my boys are getting into the bags down there. But yeah, I'll leave a link to this so that you can go and you can get this off of Amazon. And like I said, I mean, this is just absolutely cool. I'm just looking, it says ages 14 and up. Yeah, it's LED. The LED light. And it's just miniature house. And it's called the coffee shop. So, very, very cute. Very cute. So again, I will leave the link in my description box so that you can go check this out. And I just want to say thank you to Rowood again for sending this to me to do a review on. And I think it is absolutely neat. And yeah. So please do all the YouTube things. Make sure you like. Make sure you like, you comment. Yeah, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know if you like doing miniatures. Have you done this miniature? Yeah, so I'm just looking. I'm sorry. So, anyway, that's what it looks like. And until my next video, I will see you all later. Bye, y'all.